Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to attach files on an item in Monday.com. First, open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where the item is located. Then click on the item to open it. This will bring up the item's details pane on the right side of the screen. Within the item's details pane, click the Add File section. This section is usually located near the bottom of the details pane. Then select from computer or from wherever you want. This will open a file browser window where you can select the files you want to attach to the item. Browse your computer or cloud storage to find the files you want to attach. Once you have selected the files, click on the Open or Upload button in the file browser window. This will upload the selected files and attach them to the item. And that's it! You have successfully attached files to the item on Monday.com. This allows you to keep all relevant documents, images, or other resources organized and easily accessible within the context of the item. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.